Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard, your host for this pre-market session. We'll be watching these volume spike columns for anything that's moving. When these numbers start increasing, you will see me click on one of them. And once I do, we come over here to the current bar volume and make sure there's enough volume to get in and get out safely. And what I mean by that is this number needs to really be flowing. We want to see a battle going on up here. The number's consistently moving. Once we confirm that, we will come down and look at the price. If the price is going up, you will see me mark a resistance level. And once the price drops back down, you will see me mark a support level. You want to plan your support level down here around this area, but not without first confirming that we have buyers coming in on the Dominator Master and that this indicator is also moving upwards. Once we confirm that, I like to see these green bars above this average volume line. That tells me that there's more buyers coming in than just average. And that helps me to make a better determination if this stock price is going to go up or not. You can see how they broke through the yellow line here, and then a bigger green one came in next, and the price started rising. Then they leveled out below the yellow line, and the stock just started trending to the right. Then they got back close to the yellow line again, and the price started rising slightly. So the taller these bars, the more the price is going to move towards the direction. Thank you for joining me this morning, and make sure that you have your your TIF set on EXT. And also make sure you don't trade off of my live stream. My live streams are sometimes delayed. Delays can cost you money, and we don't want that to happen. Also, I am not a financial advisor. Don't take my words to heart. Don't use my indicators or my suggestions, or if you hear me say I'm going to try a position here, make sure you study this, you participate every morning, watch what we do, learn the system, don't listen to me, make your own decision to get in and get out safely. And make sure that you reach out to a professional financial advisor before you make any decision to trade on these live streams. I appreciate you joining me this morning as we watch PSIG. It's been moving since about 5 o'clock this morning. I haven't looked if there's any catalysts or not. Maybe one of you have. But sometimes these things move without a catalyst, so we'll see how it goes this morning. Also, when our market opens, make sure that all of these people that got in before our market opens don't sell off on you. So don't just jump in at the bell if you are unsure, because they could sell off the moment our market opens and take their profits and drop the price down. We have about a minute and a half to go before our market opens. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. Got some rest, ready for this morning. School is starting back in some areas down here. That's a good sign. So over the next couple of weeks, the schools may be all back in and starting. We can get the school kids back in. The parents have more time to trade. Vacations are over. The market may shift towards the more active side. And hopefully that happens for us within the next 30 days. 30 seconds to go. All right, let's see what this market has in store for us this morning. Watching these dominator bars, I want to know if they're buyers or sellers coming in, and they appear to be buyers. This red candle means that something's not quite right, so this indicator's not in alignment with the rest of them. But we are pushing up slightly. Nice tall green dominator bar. This indicator's still not cooperating. It's not going up yet. That's the reason for the red candle moving up. Could creep up slowly. It seems to be holding the price range. No great sell-off. Kind of has us in that if we do or if we don't position right now, not really going up or down, just kind of creeping up slightly. Another nice long green dominator bar. This may pop sooner or later if the buyers keep coming in. Hopefully sooner than later. I'm going to take a small position in here. Did not fill my order. Going to cancel it. What's up with that? Still creeping up. This is a good sign. It's not selling off. Nice tall green dominator bars. Something appears to be holding it back, though. We should have already busted out of this move. We are at a high of 207. I don't like the way it's responding. Volume looks good enough. It's at 250,000 shares here, 500,000 on the last candle. Still creeping up slowly. Now a new high of 214. Maybe we're going to start moving now. Would have liked to seen that 5 minutes ago. Good job, T. Watch these dominator bars. These sellers are coming in. Small red dominator bar. Could just be profit takers. Impatient. It's not moving up fast enough for them. It's not moving up fast enough for me. Me too, Greg. That's the way I'm thinking. Wait for a pullback or a white arrow. Good job, Simple. Thank you, YU. My blessing indicator headed south. Buyers are giving up a little bit here. It's not really dropping. They're not really selling off hard. It's just that those that are tired of waiting are taking profits. See you later, Bikasu. You have a blessed one, brother. All right, PSIG, put it on another chart or in a personal watch list so you can keep an eye on it. AIMD looks like it's kind of doing the same thing, not really taking off, kind of jumping up and down. I'll keep an eye on PSIG. I think it's going to pull back to the 34 maybe. Looks like that's the direction it's headed. Good job, M. See you later, John. Have a good one. Good job, M. TRNR on a pullback. I'll go ahead and mark out the resistance line. When this candle stops falling, I will mark out the support level. It's kind of cheap, under $1. Seems to have lost buyer interest. Volume is dropping off. Let's see what PSIG is going to do here. My blessings turning up from the bottom. A few buyers coming in, not a whole bunch. Would like to see it above that yellow line. Looks like we're headed down to that 34. If it's your first time here, this is the 34 EMA. I use it instead of VWAP. You can see how many times the stock has pulled back to this 34 before the next run up. I rely on it more than I do the VWAP. It's very well respected by all of the stocks. Volume seems to be dropping off on this one. Definitely sitting on the 34. My blessing indicator turning up, but we don't have the volume of buyers to come in. TRNR pushing up under $1, around 60 cents. Kind of missed the white arrow on this one. It's back here. Need a follow through on this one. We need another green bar breaking through. We do have a white arrow now. Need some tall green dominator bars. These are buyers in the volume. Well, it's kind of like things are reluctant to go up this morning. They're pointing north. But lack of buyers will do that. MRIN. The entry was back here or here where they broke out. Not really liking the volume. The last candle only 28,000. Volume has increased. Now 57,000 on the last candle. But the price didn't get very far. Take a quick look at PSIG, see if it's going to get up off that 34. It definitely hasn't fallen below it, but just a little. But then jump right back up above it. Thank you, Kyle, for that update. Nvidia bouncing around this morning as well. All right, a white arrow on PSIG. Just don't have the buyers to support anything right now. Good job, Greg. Could be a good strategy, Curtis. Good morning, Raphael. Raphael, I was wondering where you went to, brother. I'm doing fine. I hope you are as well. Good morning, Terry and Max. Now Tesla on the board may make a small move up. All right, enjoy your coffee while we wait, or your breakfast, or your lunch, or your dinner, depending on where you are. Looks like we're getting a down arrow on PSIG. Currently in a squeeze, don't know which way it's going to break out. According to the arrow, maybe to the downside. Thank you, Geechee. Let's see where it goes. Kind of bouncing around a little bit. RGC is where I'm at. Not liking this low volume at all. It's 11,000. Needs to really come up from there. Unless we get big volume flow, it's probably not going to go anywhere. May creep up over time, but I don't do time. I do instant payment. Give me the buyers and sellers, and I'll pull the trigger. Looked like PSIG, the buyers have given up on it. It's continuing to just trickle downwards. It's dropped off the magic scan. We're getting less green volume spikes now. This one's going to have to break right here. This 63 cents. Tried to break it over here. It did not succeed. Tried to come back up. It did not succeed. Now it tested it again and it has a red candle. Green dominator bar. My blessings trying to roll over. I don't trade these kind of stocks. They're not active enough for me. And that one's too cheap. You've heard me say that. I don't buy under $1. Sometimes I don't buy under $2. But when they're like this, they're reluctant to move. This would be a guessing game if you decided to buy that. And I don't like guessing games. Therefore, I wait on these indicators to line up. Either a pullback to the 34 or this white arrow with high volume. Otherwise, you're going to get in and sit there and watch it go negative and positive and negative and positive. Good job, Milo. volume did pick up by a couple of thousand on this stock. We are now showing a white arrow. Would like to see some tall green bars come in. Pushing up a little higher now for a few more pennies, but quickly lost them. Maybe they'll gain them back. Too sluggish for me, will not be playing this stock. TRNR pushing up for a new high. Good job, Terry. Waiting for something more promising to happen. Like to see a $5 or $10 stock jump in here with high volume, and we'll all be happy. Good morning, Jimmy. TRNR still pushing higher. Had a few profit takers the last couple of candles. Buyers came right back in to push it up. Nice tall green dominator bars. High of 84 cents. Need these green bars to keep coming for it to keep going. See you later, Mr. Rodriguez. You have a blessed one. Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. TRNR still trying to push higher. 86 is the high. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, unless something messes up the schedule. This pre-market session starts at 5:55 a.m. Central Time. I stream for 1 hour for free, 3 days a week on YouTube. Make sure you join us here to make a little bit of money and pre-market with us. If you want to upgrade and get the full 3.5 to 4 hours of trading, there's a label up at the top of the chat, white and yellow. Join our Discord for free. Get 2 free indicators. If you decide to upgrade and join us on the premium side, you'll get many more. I believe there's 60 scans, 30 indicators, lots of help. Definitely worth the membership. So at 5:55, this live stream will be ending on YouTube. I will continue over on the premium side of Discord. We'd love to have you join us over on that side. And if you sign up as a free member, reach out to some of the traders and ask them how they're doing. I'm sure they'll be truthful to you. PRZO, we've played this stock before. I remember the symbol. It's a cheaper one. Let's make sure this is not a pump and dump. Let's see if the buyers keep coming in. Volume is quite low still. Looks like buyer interest has faded away. LUMN seems to have a few buyers coming in occasionally, just barely moving the price around. Could be something in there later. I'll go ahead and chart it on another monitor. Volume is nowhere near trading it. All right, YouTubers, I hope you enjoyed this morning's session. I hope that you join me again on Wednesday. Come try to make some money with us, learn a little bit more. I appreciate you joining me this morning, and I hope the Lord blesses you in the rest of your trading day. I will see you guys on Wednesday. God bless.